Good morning, dear students. In the last class, we have discussed about the copper sulfate activity. When copper sulfate, we have to take the one beaker, two beakers. In that, we have to add the copper sulfate. One of the beaker, we can add the copper sulfate and water. After that, we can dip into a plate or any iron nail. What happens? That blue color solution will be changes into, after some time, blue color solution changes into the green color. So copper sulfate converted into the iron sulfate, that is the green color. So this is in the last class we are discussing about the copper sulfate solution and iron reaction. Now today I am going to discuss about the one more activity, that is a vinegar with baking soda. Vinegar with baking soda. So in this activity, we have to take the 1 teaspoonful of vinegar in a test tube. First we have to take the 1 teaspoonful of vinegar in a test tube. Add a pinch of baking soda to it. You would hear a hissing sound and see bubbles of a gas coming out. When we are taking the one test tube, in the test tube, we have to take the 1 teaspoonful of vinegar and we can add the baking soda. Vinegar and baking soda both we are taking in a test tube. What will happen? You would hear a hissing sound. Hissing sound will become and bubbles of the gas coming out, and see bubbles of a gas coming out. Pass this gas through freshly prepared lime water. Here first we have to take about a teaspoonful. Take about a teaspoonful of vinegar in a test tube. Take about a teaspoon of vinegar in a test tube. Add a pinch of baking soda to it. Add a pinch of baking soda. Pinch of baking soda to it. You would hear a hissing sound and see bubbles of the gas coming out. You would hear a hissing sound, and see bubbles bubbles of a gas coming out. So pass this gas through a freshly prepared lime water. After that, pass this gas through freshly prepared lime water. Okay. In a test tube, we are taking the teaspoon of vinegar and we can add the baking soda to it, and we can hear a hissing sound and we can see the bubbles of a gas coming out. That gas we can pass it through freshly prepared lime water. Lime water formula is calcium hydroxide, and the change in the test tube is as follows. How will it be changed the test tube? In the test tube, what we have to take in? First we have taken the 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Okay, vinegar Vinegar means this is a acetic acid. Vinegar means acetic acid. Then we can add the pinch of baking soda. First we have taken the vinegar, that is acetic acid. We can add the baking soda. Baking soda means that is a sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is a vinegar is acetic acid, baking soda is a sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. And gives rise to, here we are adding the vinegar and baking soda, acetic acid and sodium hydrogen carbonate. Then it will be formed carbon dioxide and other substances. Carbon dioxide, carbon dioxide and other substances. Other substances. The reaction between carbon dioxide and lime water we can write. Okay, so this is the reaction. First, when we are taking the test tube and we can add the vinegar and baking soda. In vinegar acetic acid is there, in baking soda sodium hydrogen carbonate is there. This acetic acid and sodium hydrogen carbonate combine to form an carbon dioxide and other substances. And when we are adding the acetic acid, vinegar and baking soda, gas will be evaporated. We can see the bubbles of gas coming out from the test tube. That gas passed through the carbon dioxide, freshly prepared lime water. We can pass this gas through freshly prepared lime water. Okay, now we can write the